Hi, I'm Taya, Teenage with Tits, and what we might in today's treat cheese twist. Cheese, butter, and tortillas. Turn in the oven to have dirty trees. We need a pan.
2 tortillas, right?
Mm-hmm.
Put butter on them.
This is how you take it. Don't test it too tough because that will hurt.
And
You spread butter on 2 sides.
Ooh. Okay.
In the oven.
Okay.
Wait a timer to 5 minutes. The butter is melted. Then we take it out. Have it out. We need to print a cheese.
Don't touch the pan. It's on.
Put it to oven to 10 minutes. This is how you eat cheese. A cheese twist out done. Let's open the oven, but be safe.
Look at that cheese crisp.
It's yummy.
Cheers. Good job. Give me 5.
Thanks for watching my tutorial in the tribe. See you next time.